Wix has a pretty great logo maker, and if you just go to the website wix.com/logo/maker, you get to this website, and it's a very simple and effective tool which you can easily make a new logo with, and it's very affordable. I haven't tried the hire a professional designer, but I think if you want something crafted and curated, this is definitely probably going to be a good option to go for. If you want to try it on your own, you can just create a logo by yourself, and then let's give it a try. I'm going to go with educational videos here. And just like that, it's got an AI program that's going to help design a